Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to administer calcium gluconate. First, always verify the patient's need for this medication, typically for hypocalcemia or hyperkalemia. Ensure you have the correct concentration, often a 10% solution, and the appropriate equipment ready. Confirm the physician's order for dosage and infusion rate before proceeding with preparation. Before administration, carefully check the patient's medical history and current calcium levels. Dilute the calcium gluconate solution as prescribed, usually in 100 milliliters of normal saline or 5% dextrose. Administer the diluted solution slowly, typically over 10 to 20 minutes, to prevent rapid changes in serum calcium and cardiac complications. For intravenous infusion, select a large, patent vein to minimize irritation. Connect the infusion pump and set the prescribed rate, ensuring it is administered gradually. Continuously monitor the patient's electrocardiogram for any changes, especially bradycardia. Observe the injection site closely for signs of infiltration, redness, or swelling throughout the infusion. After the infusion, continue to monitor the patient's vital signs and calcium levels as ordered. Document the exact time of administration, the total dosage given, and the patient's response to the medication. Educate the patient about potential side effects, such as flushing or nausea, and instruct them to report any discomfort immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.